Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, in this session, I will discuss one of the most important topics, but the easiest ones in your syllabi. The name of the topic is Synthesis of Sentences. The topic is so important, that is why I have not written the name of the topic above the sheet. Let us understand what is called synthesis. Synthesis is nothing but to join, to combine. Here in this chapter, we are asked to synthesize or to join or combine two sentences into a single sentence. In question, it is given two questions, two sentences, and we are asked to combine these two sentences into a single sentence. But question is how, when can we combine the two sentences into a single sentence? Let us understand. We will get some of the words. Through the help of these words, we can easily join the two sentences into a single one. The words are such as where, who, that, to, not only but also, neither, nor. These are the words. These are the minimal words. With the help of these common words, we can easily join two sentences into a single sentence. But before that, we should understand, we should know the uses of these helping words. For example, where. When can we use where to make two sentences into a single one? It means when we can use where to combine or synthesize the two sentences. Generally, the word where means place. It means whenever the two given sentences are talking about a place, we should join these two sentences with the help of where. For example, it is given, this is the village. The line or the sentence is talking about the village. This is the village, he lived there. This is the village where he lived. I have put here where because of village. Village means a place and where means place. This is the village where he lived. You cannot write again, this is the village where he lived there. No. Because of inclusion of where, there is automatically deleted. Next example, this is the school I studied there. School is the name of a place. That is why I have written, this is the school where I studied. Just follow the examples, my dear student. Believe me, if you keep practice on grammar, you need not to go for any sort of rule. Practice matters a lot, rather rules and regulation. This is the school I studied there. School is the name of a place, and that is why I have put where. This is the school where I studied. I have seen you somewhere. I cannot remember where. I have seen you somewhere. I cannot remember where. These two sentences are also talking about a place. Let us solve it. I cannot remember where I have seen you. Next, moving ahead, we will solve with the help of who. Who generally indicates person. It means we can use who as a synthesizer whenever we are asked to join two sentences into a single sentence, and the sentences are talking about person. See, Robin is my friend. Robin is person. Friend means person. He is a journalist. These two lines are talking about person. Robin, who is a journalist, is my friend. Or you also can write like that way. Robin is my friend who is a journalist. Next, my uncle built this bridge. He is an engineer in the PWD. My uncle, the line is talking about a person. My uncle built this bridge. He is an engineer in the PWD. My uncle, who is an engineer in the PWD, built this bridge. Next, the man created the trouble. He was arrested by the police. Here, both the sentences are talking about person, and that is why we can use who. The man who created the trouble, the man who created the trouble was arrested by the police. See, just after the man I have written who, like that way. My uncle who, Robin, after Robin I have put who. After, just after the person, you can put this synthesizer. The man created the trouble. He was arrested by the police. The man who created the trouble was arrested by the police. Moving ahead, uses of that. Now, to understand where to use that, we should check the second sentence. If in the second sentence the words like this, it are written, then we should join the sentences with the help of that. Man is mortal. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this. We have found this, and because of this, we can put here that everybody knows that man is mortal. He was innocent. He wanted to prove it. Again, we have found it. He wanted to prove that he was innocent. The earth is round. We can prove it. We can prove that the earth is round. He is innocent. Everybody says this. Everybody says that he is innocent. Very easy. Don't go for any complicated rules. This synthesis can be solved in number of ways. So we should adopt, or we should choose the better one, the easiest one, so that we can score easily. We have to follow the philosophy less is more. We should put less input, but output should be more. Less is more. That is why we always keep concentrating. We should give concentration on practice rather for going any complicated rules and regulation. The remaining part of the synthesis would be concluded in the next classes. Thank you.